Did you know how the sensor actually works? Let me show you. When you touch your phone's screen, you're activating an incredible piece of technology called a capacitive touchscreen. Unlike old resistive screens that relied on pressure, modern smartphones use the electrical properties of your finger to detect touches with amazing precision. Here's how it works. Beneath the glass, there is a grid of tiny, transparent wires made of conductive materials like indium tin oxide. These wires constantly carry a small electrical charge across the entire screen. When your finger, which conducts electricity, touches the glass, it disrupts this electrical field at that exact spot. The phone's touch controller chip detects these minute changes in capacitance, the ability to store electrical charge hundreds of times every second. It then calculates the exact coordinates of your touch by determining which grid lines were affected most. This happens almost instantly, typically in less than 1/100th of a second. But the magic doesn't stop there. The processor then analyzes whether you tapped, swiped, pinched, or made another gesture by tracking how the touch points move over time. It compares this to program patterns before sending the appropriate command to whatever app you're using. This technology is why your screen can detect multiple touches simultaneously, like when you zoom in on photos, and why it works so precisely with just a light tap. It is also why most gloves don't work. They block the electrical connection between your finger and the screen. The entire process, from touch to action, happens faster than you can blink, making the satisfying instant response we often take for granted in our smartphones today. And that's how it works.